Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lab 11 Sheet 2. Just like in the last video, we're going to be using the Parasolid this time for the chopper to create an exploded view. And then you are going to submit one single PDF that has both the bead breaker as sheet 1 and then the chopper as sheet 2, both labeled exploded views to the Dropbox. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you're going to do here is go ahead and open up your Chopper Parasolid. You're going to just double click that. And from here, just like before, let's go to our configuration manager, right click on the default configuration and add a new exploded view. Make sure you're in a regular step, and let's go ahead and select both rotors. Drag those up so that the bottom of this kind of cylindrical gear here is above the frame. Click done. And grab your clockwise rotor, which is the top one, and drag that up. Kind of the same deal. Make sure the gear is outside of the other part. Click done. Then what I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab the fuselage and the tail and bring those straight down together. Click done. Then I'll do another regular step just of the tail. Bring the tail back just like that so that I can kind of keep them aligned. Click done. Let's zoom in here on this servo and frame configuration. Grab a radial step and do this back servo and this servo. And we can just kind of pull those maybe like this. That works for me. Click done. If this feels a little far away, you can do a regular step just of this motor to kind of maybe bring it back in a little bit. That's fine. Then make sure regular step is selected. Grab your servo, the front servo and the link. And let's just bring those straight out this direction. Click done. And then we're going to grab this servo and do one last step. Just pull that out like that. And click done. And click the green check mark. So there we go. You can drill into your default configuration, right click the exploded view and then collapse it, expand it. Another thing you can do is animate, collapse, and explode, which is cool. You can actually export these to like little flash video or little animation videos. We can do the same thing, animate, explode, and then it will go through your steps. So that's why another reason that it's somewhat important to be a little intentional with how you're doing your steps if you plan to export some sort of animation video like this. For our purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and explode it, and then we can collapse it. Oop, still got my animation window open. There we go. And let's go ahead and collapse. There we go. Save. And from here, let's go ahead and open. Nope. Yeah, remember we saved the bead breaker. So let's go ahead and save this as well. Let's do chopper. Drill into there. Include the reference components. We can save it. And we can go ahead and close that. Now from here, let's go ahead into wherever you saved your Lab 11 sheets that has the bead breaker on it. Let's go ahead and open that document. And then go ahead and drill into sheet 2. Now you will have to edit this. Again, I'll do that here shortly. But first things first, let's go to drawing, model view. Go ahead and browse. And let's go ahead to where we saved our chopper. and open up the assembly document. Now, we don't have to place it yet. Let's go ahead and show in exploded or model break state, and then show this isometric option. And then we're going to select shaded with edges. And from there, now we can go in and just place it. And now, just like last time, I'm going to click escape to get out of that place option, the insert option. And then let's go down here. Let's try 1 to 5. No, don't like that. So let's maybe do the 1 to 7.5 again. Or I'm sorry, maybe like 1 to 3. Click OK. It's a little bit big. Let's do maybe 1 to 4. Let's see how that looks. It looks a little bit better. We can kind of drag that where we need it. Click OK. And then remember, before you submit this, we're going to have to label this. So go up to the annotation menu here. And I'm going to grab my note. And using the note, I'm just going to go ahead and label all of these components. And there we go. Go ahead and save this as lab 11 parentheses all dash your initials, just like I have shown here. And then save this out as a PDF and go ahead and submit this to the lab 11 Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in lab 12.